Question 12e. A game consists of randomly selecting 4 balls from a bag. After each ball is selected, it is replaced in the bag. The bag contains 3 red balls and 7 green balls. For each red ball selected, 10 points are earned, and for each green ball selected, 5 points are deducted. For instance, if a player picks 3 red balls and 1 green ball, the score will be 3 times 10 minus 1 times 5 equals 25 points. What is the expected score in the game? The probability of choosing red is 3 out of 10, and the probability of choosing green is the complement of 3 out of 10, which is 1 minus 3 out of 10, which is 7 out of 10. The expected score for choosing one ball is 3 out of 10 times 10 points won, plus 7 out of 10 times 5 points lost, which equals negative 0.5. Therefore, the expected score for choosing 4 balls is negative 0.5 times 4, which equals negative 2. Note that this is based on the concept of financial expectation. That is, the amount won or lost per draw is found by the probability of winning times the amount won minus the probability of losing times the amount lost.